guys? Good morning. Hope you are doing great. So today's topic of discussion is data validation in Excel. This is a wonderful and important basic topic from Excel. You see, I have the data set where I have the manager name, the product, the list validation, and the date validation. So these are the manager's names. These are the tasks and activities, and we will put the list validation where these are the statuses, which is in progress, completed, delivered, hold, and not in scope. And this is the product analyzing steps, requirement analysis, system design, coding, testing, quality assurance, deployment, and maintenance and support. My project is design the mobile application for supply chain team. My start date is today's date, 5th of March 26. My end date is 1 month the time I have. So I'll just apply today's function here, today's function, and I'll just add 30 days to here. So this is my end date of the project. Okay. So now quickly add the validation here. We'll select a range, go to data validation, select data validation, go to settings, click on the list value. Everything is fine. Click on source, just select the range, select OK. So you have everything, guys. Click OK. So see guys, so we get the range here in progress. So everything is in progress now. Or maybe we can put this one as completed and the rest is in progress. Rest other things are in progress. And we can put other things as of hold now because it has a dependency. Deployment is still on hold. Maintenance and support is still on hold. Okay. So now the requirement is the date validation is we'll apply these dates. We need to complete this project between the 1 month of time. That is 5th of March 26 to 4th of April 26. So we need to define validation rule for date itself. So nothing will be accepted before and after. So what we go to data validation, select the data validation. Now select the date, between dates. So the first date it goes 05, 03, 2026. And the next is the last is the project completion date that is 04, 04, 2026. Okay. This is done. And we'll also apply an error alert if we get here is this is date validation. This is good to apply so that people will understand what is required. So we'll enter here. Please enter the date between 05, 03. This is a good practice, should be done. 262, 04, 04, 2026. Good. Now click OK. Everything is done. Now let's apply the date and see how it works. Let me give today's date and see how it works here. So this works here. So it's picking the today's date. Now let me try with one more time with more than 30. That is, let us take 32 days from here. You see, you get the error. Please enter the date between 5th of March 26, so it's 4th April 26. So friends, you understand why date validation is important. Date validation is very, very important in almost all the development projects in the industry. And this is very important to create the rule, to define the rule so that the user doesn't make any error. So you please go through this exercise. It's a wonderful and basic rule for data validation. Please subscribe my channel to learn and explore more and have fun, guys. So deep dive into data science field into my future coming videos. So please stay tuned to me and enjoy. Have fun, guys. Take care. Have a great day ahead.